The 2025 Indian Roadmaster Elite is a luxurious touring motorcycle that epitomizes Indian motorcycles' commitment to heritage, exclusivity, and craftsmanship. Limited to just 300 units worldwide, with 60 available outside North America, this premium bike is a blend of high-end styling, advanced technology, and unmatched comfort. Priced at $39,999, it offers a unique riding experience for discerning enthusiasts who value both performance and exclusivity. Exclusive styling and heritage-inspired design. The Roadmaster Elite boasts a striking tritone paint scheme, featuring Indian motorcycle Springfield blue candy, black candy fade, and silver, accented with champion gold headdress tank logos. The meticulous craftsmanship includes hand-painted gold pinstripes and premium chrome finishes throughout, delivering a timeless yet modern aesthetic. Each motorcycle features serialized and individually numbered badging, highlighting its exclusivity and collectible nature. This design pays homage to Indian motorcycles' early 20th century legacy, blending modern artistry with historic significance. Advanced rider-centric technology. This model is equipped with cutting-edge features designed for a superior riding experience. The PowerBand Audio System with bass boost uses 12 strategically placed speakers to provide immersive sound. Its 146mm Ride Command touchscreen display offers Bluetooth connectivity, GPS navigation, and a factory-installed Ride Command Plus modem, enabling 1 year of free connected services like bike health monitoring, Apple CarPlay, and bike locator functions. Powered by the robust Thunderstroke 116 engine, it delivers 171 Nm of torque and supports 3 customizable ride modes: Tour, Standard, and Sport. The innovative adaptive LED headlight enhances nighttime visibility by adjusting its beam to the bike's lean angle, ensuring optimal road illumination. Unmatched luxury and comfort. Long-distance rides are made seamless with the 2-up heated and cooled seat, which uses advanced graphene materials to maintain ideal temperature distribution for both rider and passenger. Spacious floorboards and passenger armrests add further comfort, while the adjustable Flare Windshield allows riders to modify its height by 100mm using a handlebar switch. For added convenience, the Roadmaster Elite includes remote-locking saddlebags and a tour trunk, ensuring secure and easy access to storage with the touch of a button. These features combine to create a motorcycle designed for unparalleled comfort on any journey. Conclusion. The 2025 Indian Roadmaster Elite is a true masterpiece, combining historical design inspiration, state-of-the-art technology, and luxurious comfort features. With its exclusive production run and a price tag of $39,999, it stands as a premium option for riders seeking the ultimate touring motorcycle. This bike is not just transportation, it is an experience that blends heritage, innovation, and elite craftsmanship into one extraordinary package.